Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part is available 123 Laravel 11 generate UUID example, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this is a database name real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name, and this my project is available jump folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let this project directory inside this cmd open cmd. Successfully this project directory inside cmd is available. This open. Let's run PSP artisan server and enter PSP artisan server. Successfully working fine. This URL is a copy. This URL copy and paste inside this paste. Successfully working. This project is a working fine. Good working. This my route inside this web.php available. This route inside web.php available. Inside this last is a new route get method. In this new route is a create route name is a route get route. Inside this is a copy same name is a copy and paste here generate UID. This generate UID, and this same controller is a use. This same controller name is this controller name class, and this is a controller name. This is the same name is a copy and paste here, and this is a UID same name is a copy and paste, and this is a close. Save file. Let's admin controller open. This is the admin controller, and this is a general function. This is the admin controller open. Inside this function is a create. This is the admin controller is available already include. This is the admin controller. Please write down this is the admin controller. App http controller and this is the admin controller. First is available admin controller. Successfully open. This is the admin controller. Please write down inside this is this write down and this write down only. And inside this is the implementation UID. This same here scroller and this same copy and public function and paste here, and this is request $request, and this is a paste here. Inside this is a UID is a create. This function inside UID is a create. Let's echo, and this is a implementation www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this is a die. Save file, and the same here inside this is available same copy this copy and paste here inside this list and paste here. Successfully this is available www.errorsolutioncode.com. This is my name is official website. This errorsolutioncode.com. This is a official website. Inside this is available anytime. Contact this Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available, and this is my channel. Subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all link. Let's check this is available. Inside this is a successfully copy and inside this paste here. This is a working fine, and this is remove and save file, and this is a blank not available. This is a good. This is only this is a implementation. This is a blank inside this not available. First of all, this is a implement. The same here strt implementation. This is a UID. Let's inside this one variable create. Variable name is a UUID is equal to same here inside this copy and paste here, and UUID to string string, and this is a die otherwise dd. This is a dd and save here copy and paste here, and this is a save file, and this is a general. This is a successfully this is a UID is a generate. Let's refresh this page. This is available. This is a UID generate. This is a refresh. This is a different is a available. This is a random is a created. This different UUID is a generate successfully. This is a working fine. This is a example. This is a example. Let's refresh this page. This is a UUID is a generate. Good working. Inside this, let's comment. And next other available two example is available. UUID is a 2 example is available, and this variable is str2 str order UUID, and this is the name is available to the same name is a copy and paste here inside this paste and same name, and this is the same variable is a implementation. This is a example, only example. This is a different way, this is a different way. 2 example is available. Let's refresh this page, and this is a different UUID is a content successfully available. This example 1 and 2 is available. Let's refresh this page. Successfully UUID is a different generate. Good working. This is a different generate. This is a different working fine. This is a example is a 1. This is a example is a 1 example 1, and this is a example is a 2 example 2. This is a 2 example is available successfully. This is a video is done. This is a 2 time is available. This first and second 2 example is available UUID. This is a function is created inside this create, and this is a route is a implementation inside this is a route. This good working. This is a fine. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Write down this code. Thank you for watching, and this is a compulsory is include this str to complete include. Thank you.